Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to speed up audio in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Unfortunately, there is not yet a feature in Canva that allows you to speed up an audio clip, so we will need to use an external tool to solve this problem. Here we will use the Audio Trimmer website to help us speed up the audio file. If you are using your own external audio file and not from Canva, all you have to do here is click on Choose File, and then choose the audio from your device. Or if you want to use an audio file from Canva, follow the solution with me. First, open a new blank video design in Canva. After that, from the Elements section on the left, open the audio library. Now from here, choose the audio clip you want. Then increase the page time using the mouse at the bottom, so that the audio clip is not cut off. After that, click on the Share button at the top. Then press the Download button and wait for it to download. Now a blank video containing the audio clip we want to speed up will be downloaded. After that, we need to extract the audio clip from the video. And to do this, we will use the Biteable website. We will now upload the video that we downloaded from Canva. After that, click on Extract Audio. Finally, go to the Audio Trimmer website, then upload the audio file here. Now, as you can see here, using this bar, you can speed up the sound as you want. After completing, press the Change Speed button. After that, press the Download button. Now just upload the new audio clip to Canva. Now in this way, we have an audio clip that has been sped up and then added to Canva. So that's basically how you can speed up audio in Canva. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.